I have explained you this first one in the first previous video. Now see, fourth one. Here number is there 58 cube. Now we can split this number like this 60 minus 2. Because subtraction formula you have to use a minus b whole cube. Now for this thing, first term is this is a and this is b. 60 cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square minus b cube, that is cube of 2. Now I have solved this. Cube of 60 is 216,000 minus 3 into 60 square is 3600 into 2 plus 60 into 3 18, 60 into 3 180 into 2 square 4 minus 2 cube 8. Now this as it is. Now 3600 into 3 into 2, that is 21600. This one is 720 minus 8. Now after adding and subtracting, solving this step, I got 1,95,112. This is your final answer. Now see, from question number 2, simplify. First one I have taken 2a plus b whole cube minus 2a minus b whole cube. Here two formulas we have to use. Here this is a, this is b. Here this is a, this is b. A plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube you have to use. And in separate bracket we will solve this, and then from this expression we will subtract this one, and let's see what will happen. Now see, first bracket 2a plus b whole cube I have solved here. This a cube, that is 2a cube plus 3 into 2a square plus into b plus 3 into 2a, that is a into b square plus b cube. Then see, this is the another bracket is 2a minus b bracket. Here minus sign I have given. Then same bracket 2a minus b, 2a cube minus 3 into 2a square, that is a square into b, that is b, 3a square into b plus 3 into a into b square. Here a is 2a into b square minus b cube. Now I have solved this. 2a cube is 8a cube. Then 3 into this is square of this term is 4a square. 3 into 4 12 a square into b. Then 3 into 2 6 a into b square, 6ab square plus b cube as it is minus c 2a cube 8a cube minus 3 into 4, that is 12 a square b. Here 6a b square minus b cube. First bracket minus second bracket. Now see in this same only 8a cube minus sign is there in between the two brackets. So if we will open this bracket, these signs will get changed. This minus will be plus, plus will be minus, and minus will be plus. That means now here in the bracket only we will solve this. 8a cube, in this bracket also 8a cube is there. That means they will get cancelled. Plus 12a square b, here minus 12a square b is there. It will remain as it is. 6ab square cancel. B cube plus minus b cube, it will be as it is. Now we will take these terms out of the bracket. Now see, 12a square b from first bracket plus b cube. This is these two from first bracket. Now here minus 12a square b, that will be plus 12a square b. Then minus b cube, that is plus b cube. Now we will add similar terms. Now see here 12a square b and 12a square b, that is 24a square b. B cube plus b cube 2b cube. And from this we can take 2b as common. B from this, 2 from this, b from this, and 2b from this. 2b common I have taken. Then inside the bracket 12 2 the 24. So 12 inside the bracket. Then a square b we have taken common. Then from here 2b is common. That means remaining b square. This is your final answer. Now we'll go to the next practice set. And formula here is in terms of three terms. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Now first question from the 5.4, that is 2p plus q plus phi square. Here this is a, q is b and phi is c. Now substitute the values in this formula. 2p square plus q square plus phi square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab. Here 2 into 2p plus q. Then plus 2 into q plus q into 5. Then plus 2 into ac. That means 2p and 5. Now solve this. 2p square is 4p square. Q square, phi square is 25. Then 2 into 2, 4 pq. Then 2 into 5, 10 q. And plus 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20 p. This is your final answer. Then come to the next. See second question. It is from second question. This is from first main expand and this is from simplify. Second one I have taken. See 3k minus 4r minus 2m minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m. Here this is A, this is B, this is C. A, B, C. Here same formula you have to use. A plus B plus C square. That same formula you have to apply here. But two brackets are there. How we have solved up here, see. In this a plus b cube and a minus b cube. Same way here you have to solve using the formula a plus b plus c bracket square. Now see the step. See first bracket I have solved here. A square plus b square plus c square. 3k square minus 4r square with the sign we have to take. Minus 2m square. Then plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. See 2a here 3k. B minus 4r plus 2bc means minus 4r minus 2m plus 2 3k a. Then c minus 2m. Now multiply this. Solve this step. See 3k bracket square is 3k this is the first bracket and this is the second bracket. Terms are same, just difference of sign is there. Then see first term a square, b square and c square. This is the second bracket. A square plus b square plus c square. Here minus sign only is with 2m. See here minus sign I have taken. Then 2ab, this ab, then 2bc, 4r minus 2m, then plus 2ac, 3k and minus 2m. Now solve this. See first bracket I have solved. 3k square is 9k square. 4r square minus 4r square is plus 16r square minus 2m square is plus 4m square and multiplication 2 into 3 into 4 24. The minus sign is there, so minus 24 rk or kr you can write. Then 4 into 2, 8 plus 8 into 2, 16 mr, minus 3 into 2 into 2, that is minus 12 km. See here, second bracket, same way how I explained this, 9k square, then 16r square, 4 this is a square plus b square plus c square, and here these terms 2 into 3 into 4, 24 kr, then 2 into 4 into minus 2, minus 16 mr, then 2 into 3 into minus 2 m, it is, that is 12 km. Then see this bracket only, similar terms as we solved before, similar terms we can cancel, 9k square 9k square, 16r square 16r square, 4m square 4m square, only with similar sign you can cancel it. Then see, minus 24 rk, here plus 24 rk is there, rk, kr and rk, it is same, then plus 16 minus 16, this we can't cancel, minus 12 km we can cut it. Then remaining terms, see, minus 24 kr, then plus 16 mr, from second bracket minus 24 kr, and after changing the sign this is plus 20 plus 16 mr. Now see, solve the similar terms, minus 24 minus 24, 48 kr, this is minus, so we have taken later, 16 mr plus 16 mr, 32 mr minus 48 kr, this is your final answer. See, we have added these two terms, 32 mr minus 48 kr, that is your final answer. Same way you have to solve remaining questions of practice set 5.4. Thank you.